Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to send money using Skrill Wallet 2026. First, open your Skrill app. Once you're on the home screen, tap the transfer button at the bottom. Here you will see three different options. The first is Skrill to Skrill. This is the easiest option. If your friend or family member also has a Skrill account, you can directly send money to their account. The second option is international money transfer. If the person is in another country, you can use this option to send money internationally. The third option is request money. This works like creating an invoice, meaning you can request money from someone. If you choose Skrill to Skrill, you may need to import your contacts so you can easily send money to other Skrill users. If you select international transfer, you will need to enter the amount, choose the bank account, and pay using a debit card. You will also need to provide all required information. That's it. This is how you send money on Skrill Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.